What's up, world? Thanks for tuning in for another episode of the Budget Build. If this is the first time you're watching, welcome. My name's Luke, I'm the local leather guy, and besides making leather goodies, I have a crazy obsession with cars. And the Budget Build is a series I started during lockdown, and I'm redoing bits of my interior in leftover leather that I had. In today's episode, I'm going to be redoing my door panels, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so I lied, I'm gonna waste a little bit of time. So this video and the next video when I'm gonna redo my steering wheel, I needed to film strategically. So because I only have one piece of grey charcoal leather, I needed to be sure that I had enough to cover my steering wheel and my door panels. So what I've done, the cover that was on my steering wheel, I had cut off and I used a template to cut out what I need to cover the steering wheel, and I put it one side so that I know whatever is left over is for the door panels. So I took the passenger side door panel off and I removed the skin that was on there. And I asked a couple of people and I discovered that this is common problems with an S13. You can see there's a couple of holes in there that someone tried to MacGyver. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to cut this entire piece out of the panel and then I'm going to slot a piece of leather in there. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. So I have a piece of leather cut out for the door panel, and what I'm going to do now is glue it and shape it over here. So this is going to be the more difficult part, is shaping this little corner over here. So I'm using this shoe glue, it's for leather and vinyl, so it should work pretty well. But before I glue anything, I need to roughen up both surfaces. So this is pretty rough at the moment. And because I'm going to be using the back part of the leather, which is the shiny and smooth part, I'm going to take a piece of fine grit sandpaper and just roughen it up a bit. Apply glue to both sides and then slowly mold and finesse this door panel. So that shoe glue actually did nothing. The door panel absorbed every bit of that glue, so there was actually nothing I could stick to it. So I'm gonna head to the hardware store real quick, which is conveniently located next to the supermarket. So I'm gonna do a quick essential run while I'm at it, and hopefully I can get the glue that I need and carry on. Okay, cool. So I got the glue that I needed. I should have gotten this in the first place. It's just a simple example of how things don't go according to plan. And also, I will never use this shoe glue again. Half of the tube was filled with air. I'm gonna try this again. Same thing, same principle. I'm gonna apply the glue to this part of it, and I'm gonna apply the glue to the back side of the leather insert. And while that's busy setting, I'm going to take my speaker cover out there and just respray that while I have the door panel off. Give it a nice light coat, let it dry. So to today was all over the place for me. I started off working here, I moved everything to the garage, it started storming, I moved everything inside to the dining room table, and 3 hours later our house still smells like glue. Anyways, that is just a perfect example of how DIY projects don't go according to plan. In fact, that's the plan for DIY projects, not to go according to plan. If you have any stories, please let me know in the comment section. So now that my passenger side door is done, I know exactly what I need to do for my driver side door. I'm gonna apply exactly the same process. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to ask me anything, tell me any stories, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see more episodes of the budget build, please subscribe. The next episode you do not want to miss. I'm going to be redoing my steering wheel. I'm super stoked for it. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys.